Hello everybody, Volpixie here. We're back in Daz Studio today and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks for customizing assets to fit your needs better. Today I'm going to be working on my Ari figure that I've been making, and we're going to be turning this gorgeous rising star outfit into something that comes a little bit closer to Ari's KDA outfit. So the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to remove this sleeve. So we're going to go to Tools, we're going to select Geometry Editor, and then we're going to make sure selection type is Polygon, selection mode is Lasso, that's just a personal preference on my part. And we're going to draw a circle around the sleeve. Okay, looks like it selected it all, and then we're going to select, and you can do one of two things. You can either go to Geometry Editing and select Delete Selected Polygons, or you can go to Geometry Visibility and select Hide All Polygons, and that's by using a right click, which I'm realizing the screen isn't capturing. We're going to delete the polygons, and there we go. Perfect sleevelessness in the dress. So now we're going to put this dress on our figure and continue on with the customization. So now that we have the dress on our model, we can continue to customize it further to look more like the Ari in our reference image. So we're going to take the top here and we're going to select bottom of the top, and then we're going to go to our shaders. In this case, I'm going to the essential shaders. Essential iris shaders. We're going to scroll down to the silk here, and we're going to apply that just like that. Perfect. Now we're also going to want that to be along this edge here, so we are going to select the cloth edges. We're going to put the same, whoops, not that bit. Bottom seam, that's the one we're looking for. We're going to select the bottom seam, so that now is on the bottom seam. And then the rest is the bottom of the skirt. Then, for the sleeves, we'll select sleeves. And I am going to go to the metallic satin. We're going to go to the Sublime shaders. Now this one specifically says to apply first, so we'll apply first. And then we're going to go down. Got these nice sheer fabrics, but we're looking for this, which is closer to the color. And then we're going to do the same thing for cloth back, which will be the back. Cloth back seam. Actually, we'll go ahead and do something that you guys can see. We'll do cloth chest. We'll put that on there. Then cloth edges. See, that all matches up nicely now. And then we just need to go to the skirt and select. In this case, I'm pretty sure we can select the whole skirt. And then we go down to our silk. And there we go. Now, of course, what is Ari without a tail? So we're going to go over to anatomy. And we're going to go to Kiko. And we're going to add a tail. Of course, we could add up to 9 tails, but for brevity's sake, we're only going to do the one. Now, I'm going to put the tail into a pose that'll make it easier to see. Region, partial body, tail. Just something that makes it visible. There we go. So now with the tail, we select the tail in the editor. And we can go back over to our shaders, and since her tail is crystalline, we're going to go to our gems and glass. And we're going to put the base on it. And then we're going to go diamond faceted. And now when we check in eye-ray, it should look crystalline. There we go. Don't mind the weirdness of her hair. That's just in sample renders to save things. But there we have it. A very simple take on KDA Ari. And hopefully some helpful tips for customizing assets for your own characters.